A ship with the capacity of having up to 500 asylum seekers has recently docked in England after Parliament passed its long debated bill to curb migration. The barge Bibli Stockholm was pulled by a tug into Portland Harbour after the government's controversial legislation overcame resistance in the House of Lords and was passed. The ship and the bill are both parts of Prime Minister Rishi Sunak's strategy to stop migrants from making risky English Channel crossings in small boats. The legislation will become law after receiving the assent of King Charles III. The Conservative government has pledged to stop the boats and other small crafts that cross from northern France carrying migrants who hope to live in the UK. More than 45,000 people crossed the channel to Britain in 2020. Several died in the attempt. The bill is intended to deter those journeys and prevent migrants from claiming asylum in the UK if they arrive illegally. Under the legislation, those caught will be sent back home or deported to another safe country and banned from ever re entering the UK. The government planned to send some of those who arrived without authorization to Rwanda, but last month the Court of Appeal ruled it was legal. The government is appealing the ruling to the UK Supreme Court. PM Sunak cheered the passage of the bill but said the government must prevail at the High Court for the law to function properly.